In this video, we are going to see how we can fix this application error which says the application was unable to start correctly. Error code is 0xc000007b. Click OK to close the application. So here's the quick fix for you. First of all, just head over to google.com and right here, Visual C runtime AIO. Visual C runtime AIO, that's what we need to do, right? And the first website you get by techpowerup.com, Visual C++, Redistributable runtimes all in one December. Just click on that and click on download. And we can select any region we want, but let's say that we want this US because that is closest to you. Whatever you see as closest, you just install that and it will start downloading. Now, once the download is complete, it will be a zip folder. So just go in that folder, right click on it and click on extract all. Click on extract and it will show you a separate folder. In fact, you will automatically go in that folder. And from here, you just install all, install_all, right click, run as administrator, click yes. And the process will start. So just wait for it to complete. And as you can see in the background, it's installing all the runtime packages. So you should have no problem and will not get any further error anywhere. So just wait for it to complete. And once all the setups are complete, it will complete the processing by completing the setup. And once this is complete, it will automatically close the installation window. And after that, you might need to restart your PC in order to make this effective. And that is how it works. And it should solve the problem or error that you are getting. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.